In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a credit note in Zoho Books, step by step. Credit notes are extremely useful when you need to refund a customer, correct an invoice, or record returned items. Instead of editing or deleting invoices, businesses typically issue a credit note so the accounting records stay clean and accurate. If you're using Zoho Books for your accounting, the process is actually very simple once you know where everything is located. So in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the entire process, from navigating to the credit notes section, creating a new credit note, filling in the correct customer and item details, and saving it properly so it reflects in your books. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Zoho Books tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump right into it. The first thing you want to do is log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left side of the screen where the main navigation menu is located. This sidebar contains all the major sections of Zoho Books, such as sales, purchases, banking, reports, and more. Since credit notes are related to customer transactions, you'll want to click on the Sales section. After clicking Sales, a submenu will expand, showing several options like invoices, estimates, payments received, and credit notes. From this list, go ahead and click on Credit Notes. This will take you to the Credit Notes Management page, where you can view all the credit notes that have been created in your organization. If you already have credit notes in the system, you'll see them listed here along with details like the customer name, credit note member, date, and amount. To create a brand new credit note, go to the top right corner of the page and click the button labeled Plus New. As soon as you click this button, Zoho Books will open the credit note creation form where you can enter all the necessary information for the transaction. Now let's go through the important fields you need to fill out. The first field is Customer Name. Click on the drop-down menu and select the customer who will receive the credit. If the customer already exists in your Zoho Books contacts, simply select their name from the list. If not, you can create a new contact directly from this field. Next is the credit note number. Zoho Books can automatically generate this number using its auto-sequence settings, or you can manually enter a custom number if your business follows a specific numbering format. Below that, you'll see the reference number field. This field is optional, but it can be very useful. For example, many businesses use this field to reference the original invoice number related to the refund or adjustment. Doing this makes it easier to track transactions later when reviewing your records. Next, we move to the Item Details section, which is where you specify what products or services are being credited back to the customer. Click on the Item field and choose the product or service from your item list. After selecting the item, you'll need to enter the quantity and the rate. The quantity represents how many units are being returned or credited, and the rate is the price per unit that will be refunded. Zoho Books will automatically calculate the total amount based on the quantity and rate you enter. If your item has taxes associated with it, the system will also calculate the tax automatically depending on your tax settings. Continue adding additional items if needed by using the Add Item option. Once all the item details are filled in and everything looks correct, take a moment to review the credit note to make sure the customer, items, quantities, and amounts are accurate. This step is important because the credit note will impact your customer balance and accounting records. When you're satisfied with the information, go ahead and click Save. The credit note will now be created and stored in your Zoho Books account. In most cases, the credit note will be saved with an open status, which means it can later be applied to an existing invoice or used for a refund, depending on how you handle customer credits in your workflow. And that's it. That's exactly how you create a credit note in Zoho Books. As you can see, the process is quick and straightforward once you know where to find the credit note section and what information needs to be filled out. If this video helped you understand the process, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Zoho Books tutorials, accounting tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.